Welcome back to Biology Bytes. Recently, I had the wonderful fortune to speak with the CEO of GenePathDX, and his blog on cortisol helped inspire this video. The link to this blog is in the description of this video, and I recommend it to anyone interested in demystifying health and the longevity of science. Today, we'll explore how cortisol, this small hormone, acts like a message traveling through your body, helping you wake up, focus, and recover, and why the timing of that message matters the most. Cortisol is a hormone, a chemical message in your bloodstream. When it reaches target cells, it helps them release fuel, boost attention, and tune inflammation. Think of it like the accelerator of a car. Low cortisol is like an idling engine when you're calm. High cortisol is like the pedal to the floor when you need to act. Cortisol usually starts with a brain-to-body relay called the HPA axis. The hypothalamus sends CRH, a signaling hormone that says, "Start the process." The pituitary responds by sending ACTH, another signaling hormone, which tells the adrenal cortex to release cortisol. Cortisol then travels in the blood to target tissues where cells read the message and then respond. Cells must receive a message before they can act. Think of this like a relay race. ACTH sprints from the pituitary and passes the baton to the adrenal gland by grabbing its receptor at the surface. The adrenal now runs the next leg and hands off cortisol into the bloodstream. Cortisol slips into target cells and passes the baton to a matching receptor inside, so that way the cell knows it's time to act. After reception comes transduction. That's the relay of the signal inside of the cell, so that way the message reaches the nucleus. Then the cell creates a response by changing gene expression. Gene expression means which genes are turned on or off, guiding what proteins get made and what cell does next. With cortisol, certain genes switch on to free up energy and sharpen attention, while others reduce inflammation. To avoid overreacting, the system uses negative feedback. When there's enough cortisol for the moment, the message loops back to the brain to reduce CRH and ACTH. It's like a thermostat. Once the room is warm enough, the heater eases off. Cortisol isn't just about amount, it's about timing. A healthy rhythm peaks in the morning, helping you wake and mobilize. Then slowly drops through the day so it's low at night. Low nighttime levels make room for deep sleep and repair, so tomorrow's morning rise is strong. A heavy late dinner can confuse your internal clocks and fragment sleep. Big carb loads may cause reactive drops in blood sugar later in the night. This makes you feel hungry, and the body responds with counter alarms, including cortisol, right when levels should be low. So the result is that noisy nights, a weaker morning rise, and a flatter rhythm. Stress is normal in short bursts. It helps you respond, but late day or chronic stress keeps the messaging system switched on into the evening. That pushes cortisol up at night, blunts the morning rise, and nudges you towards a feeling tired but wired. Bright light at night from phones and tablets hits the brain's clock and says that it's daytime. That delays sleep signals and makes it harder for cortisol to fall in the evening. Bedtime shifts later, sleep gets lighter, and tomorrow's wake-up spike weakens. Getting the timing right of this signal can improve sleep quality, focus, and how your body uses fuel. 3 powerful habits are getting morning daylight, keeping dinner earlier and lighter, and dim screens in the evening. Small changes can create big differences. Cortisol is a message that your body reads through receptors. Relays inside the cell, which is transduction, and uses to change gene expression. Feedback keeps things balanced, and the daily rhythm matters, high in the morning and low at night. Watch the big 3 disruptors, which is heavy late meals, late stress, and bright screens. Thanks a lot for joining us on today's video. We hope you had a lot of fun and learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Biology Bytes. If you care about helping other kids learn, check out Prep Them USA. They bring reading and learning to children across India and help build a better world. Visit prepthemusa.org to see how you can help. See y'all next time. Bye!